Hello and welcome to Learn English Now. أهلا بيكم في رابع حلقة من حلقات الكورس pronunciation. النهاردة هنتكلم عن صوتين مميزين جدا. Two sounds. ch sound والج sound. تاني ch sound j sound. Can you repeat after me? قول ورايا. ch j. We find those sounds in multiple places. بنلاقي الأصوات دي في كلمات كتيرة. هنحاول نتعرف على بعض منها وإزاي ننطقها. أول حاجة repeat ch. We find the ch with the initial like ch. دايما بنلاقي ال ch sound في أي كلمة بتبدأ بال ch. زي مثلا Can you repeat after me? قول ورايا. chain. Perfect. مش هنقول chain هنقول chain. chair. مش هنقول share هنقول chair. تفرق عن الكلمة الثانية اللي هي ال sh. challenge. champion. Perfect. chance. change. channel. chapter. church. Perfect. ch sound مع البداية بتاعت ال ch. We also find it with the final ch. لو ال ch جاي في آخر الكلمة برضو هنقولها ch مش ش. زي مثلا كلمة قول ورايا. Can you repeat after me? Approach. مش هنقول approach. We are not going to say approach. It's approach. Beach. Branch. مش branch. branch هتبقى غلط هتبقى branch. church. coach. each. launch. Perfect. And so on. وهكذا. We also find it with the tch. لما هنلاقي tch هتبقى ch sound. Can you repeat after me? Attach. batch. catch. match. sketch. stretch. switch. watch. Perfect. هنموف للميد position المكان اللي في النص. لما هنلاقي ch في النص, when we find ch in the middle, it's going to be ch sound. فكده نقدر نقول ال ch sound in general بيجي مع ال ch وال tch. Can you repeat after me? Achieve. Exchange. Purchase. Richard. Teacher. Perfect. tch. Repeat after me. Butcher. Kitchen. Perfect. في positions تانية بنلاقي فيها ال ch sound. There are some other positions like the tu. Any tu turns into a ch sound. Can you repeat after me? قول ورايا. Adventure. So مش هتبقى adventure بس هتبقى adventure. Adventure. Culture. Feature. Fortunate. Furniture. مش هتبقى furniture بس هتبقى furniture. Future. picture مش هتبقى picture بس هتبقى picture picture. natural situation كده أي TU هيكون معها ال ch sound. Any word with the TU is going to be ch as well. Also, we find it with the TI. Words with TI هتبقى ش برضو في آخر الكلام. أي حاجة بتنتهي ب TION هتبقى ش as well. Can you repeat after me? قول ورايا. Suggestion. Suggestion. Question. Question. It's not going to be question or question. It's or like question, but it's going to be question. Perfect. Thank you so much for the ch sound. دلوقتي نقدر move to the j sound. We find the j sound in multiple places. بنلاقي ال j sound في أماكن كتيرة. بنلاقيه في أول الكلام مع حرف ال J. Can you repeat after me? قول ورايا. January. مش هيبقى January بس في D قبل ال J. There is a D before the J, so it's January. Jam. Jamaica. James. Jane. Japan. مش Japan. It's D. The D sound in the beginning is important. حرف ال D قبل الكلمة مهم جدا. Japan. Jeans. Job. مش job. It's job. John. Join. Perfect. برضو بنلاقيه مع ال GE GI GY في البداية. طبعا أنا مش عايزكم تحفظوا، إحنا بس بنعرف الكلمات الكتيرة اللي ممكن يجي فيها الصوت ده وهنتعود عليها. Now we are going to start with the GE GI GY. Can you repeat after me? قول ورايا. Gentleman. Gentleman. So it's مش gentleman, it's like gentleman. Gender. Gender. Gene. مش gene, it's gene. General. Generate. مش generate, هتبقى generate. Gym. مش gym, مش هروح الجيم، هتبقى gym. I'll go to the gym. Perfect. Also, we find it with the J in the middle. لو ال J جاية في النص هتبقى ج sound برضو. Let's try. Enjoy. مش enjoy. Enjoy. DJ. Some people mistake it. بعض الناس بتقول enjoy, which is wrong. هتبقى enjoy. Injure. مش injure. هتبقى injure. Major. DJ. مش major. It's major. Majority. Majority. Object. مش object. It's object. Project. Project. Reject. Subject. مش subject, it's subject. DJ. Perfect. Thank you. We also find it with the DJ normally. أكيد هتبقى adjust. Adjust. وزي ما عملنا في ال GE, GI, GY هنعمل كده تحت. We find it with the GE, GI, GY in the middle. حتى لو جم في النص زي. Can you repeat after me? قول ورايا. Agency. مش هتبقى agency, هتبقى agency. Algeria. Angela. apologize مش apologize هتبقى apologize. Argentina مش Argentina هتبقى Argentina. Belgium. Biology مش biology هتبقى biology. Danger. Finally, Egypt مش Egypt هتبقى Egypt. Perfect. We also find it with the DJE as the words budget. Budget. وأخيرا, finally, we are going to work on the ج sound في الآخر. لو آخر الكلمة فيها GE, طبعا مش عايزكم تحفظوا. We don't need to memorize. Can you repeat after me? قول ورايا. Advantage. Age مش age تبقى age. Average. DJ average. Change. Charge. College. So it's not college, but college. Finally, DJE. Badge. Edge. Fridge. Judge. Knowledge. Perfect. Now it's clear for us the difference between the ch sound and the j sound. دلوقتي الch والj different. هنشتغل مع على البارت اللي هو ليه علاقة بالpronunciation practice. I am going to read this whole text and I want you to repeat after me. هقرأ sentence by sentence وهقف عشان تقولوا ورايا. Richard James was a soldier. He joined the army in March. Right after his birthday. He liked to make jokes, watch movies, and listen to jazz. His friend Charlie and he spent their days off drinking gin in a local jazz bar. They were real gentlemen and always tried to help the elderly, women, and children whenever they had a chance. The two of them also enjoyed teaching Japanese to junior high school children when they were off duty. Perfect. Thank you so much for today. النهارده احنا عرفنا الفرق بين التش ساوند والج ساوند في الكلمات اللي احنا بنقابلها كتير في حياتنا. So thank you so much for joining me today. I will be leaving some sort of an exercise in the description below, and I want you to tell me which one is the ch and which one is the j. هسيب زي حاجة تعملها exercise موجود تحت الفيديو، ممكن تشوفه وتجاوب هو ch ولا مش ch، وممكن تكتب لو تحب الإجابات في الكومنتس، وهكون هرجع لك في أقرب وقت أكيد. Thank you so much for being with me today. Learn English now. See you soon. Have a great day.